So why aren't you tell me about the SIM card? I can get it.
You cross the road, turn left, yeah?
Yes.
Right, turn right.
Yeah. Apa itu?
Oh, foto. Oh.
Gimana untuk SIM card? SIM card? Ah, untuk telepon. SIM card. Sudah tahu?
Being filmed going back.
Yes. Yes, we want to see you going backwards.
Let's hope that one.
Try and move forwards from now on. It's still a bit scary at night. I mean, I know that there's nothing to fear, but it's just this Western thing, isn't it? Like, well, that guy looks a bit weird. Oh, that guy looks a bit weird. Oh, that person seems a bit dodgy. Hi, ladies. What is Jimmy's bar?
Jimmy Bar. Go ahead.
Terus?
Yeah.
Kiri?
The corner.
Kiri?
Right.
Kanan. Makasih.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? Ada SIM card di sini ya. Okay, so he couldn't register and you need your passport. I'm gonna go back and get my passport. And he said he can't register it at the moment. This is kind of the way things roll in Bali. Like, I've just got to say that. Like, it takes time.
How are you? Hi.
So, yeah, so we'll go and find another one that's open and then we can get a SIM card maybe if we're lucky. Need passport, huh? Need passport?
Passport.
Oh, apparently, yeah. And also, they have just here, but they said they cannot make tonight because connection, internet. No, not for passport, but some problem in the shop. So they said try another shop. Ada SIM card?
Ya, ada.
Telkomsel?
Ada.
Ada. Can you do for me?
How many gigabyte? 6, 9, 17.
How much is the 17?
For the 17, 300,000.
1,000.
I was actually going to kind of butt in. Oh, so who's the
Papa?
siapa?
Oh, baru.
Oh, okay. Can I actually butt in on you?
You just did.
I did. Okay, I told him about you, but okay, I actually had Cody. Remember? I just bought 200,000. I mean, in 2 days, the Pulsa Habis, because he was using for data.
Oh, yeah.
Got it? And then I just told him about, okay,
You must
we
buy it.
had yesterday a whole lunch, and him and my husband were disagreeing with me about the data shit, right?
Okay, so this is my best new friend here, and Telkomsel is the absolute best one, right? This is enough for Google Maps, and
Yeah.
this is enough for telephone for
No.
2 weeks.
For telephone, you must buy top up for call telephone.
So I can't use telephone on this?
If you telephone from the WhatsApp, you can use the internet.
Oh, yeah, good
Yeah.
idea. But if I want to make a phone call to Australia, to my
You must
bapak,
buy top up.
so you
ready.
can do that for me?
Yeah, you can buy
Okay.
top up maybe at 50,000. If
Yes,
you buy
yes.
50,000, you can call until
So this is just for data.
just for data. If you need for phone call, you only buy the top up.
So is there any card that does data and phone call?
No, no have.
No.
This one from XL, you have free for phone call 15 minutes, but cannot call to another country.
International, no international
Yeah, no
calls.
international. Only
So if I just want to ride to Ubud and back use Google Maps, you think 9 gig too much? Maybe just 6 gig cukup.
6 gig and 2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah.
Because
Just a few rides to Ubud and
6 gig, you have normally only 4 gig because the 2 gigabyte the video mix. You cannot use the
so you recommend this one?
maybe this one.
Okay, this one, okay.
Yeah.
This is my iPhone, right?
Okay, for activated with the passport, you bring passport.
Yeah. So there's my passport.
Okay.
Here's my iPhone. So now she's just getting my passport details and copying them to her phone, which you just sort of have to go with. I mean, there's no way around that.
Yeah. Keep your passport.
Thank you. All of my old SIM card, etc. is in here. Tucked away in a nice little plastic sealed bag.
You must write the message come from the provider, yeah? Information from provider. Maybe if many register today,
Would take time.
yeah, maybe until tonight come the message. If tonight not come, maybe tomorrow morning already
Oh,
come the
really?
message active, yeah?
And is it the message in English or Bahasa
In
Indonesia?
Bahasa Indonesia, I think you know.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
most people won't know. So they would have to come back to you.
Not come back again.
Yeah,
Oh,
because you have to
for the
activate the...
not activated again.
Oh, that's just a message saying, okay,
If come
bagus.
the message,
Everything
you
is good.
only restart again your phone. Switch
Yeah, yeah.
off and switch on again.
Yeah, yeah.
For the buy top up for phone call,
Yes.
if not active, the SIM card cannot I send top up.
Yes.
You need buy now because I cannot send now. If I have information in my telephone,
Yes.
already success your number ready, I send to top up. But up to you, you can come back if already active your card for buy top up.
Yes, yes. Can you buy the top up Circle K
Circle K.
Coco
Yeah,
like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe in already done. You can buy top up now.
I can do what?
You can buy top up now.
Oh, I can buy top up now. Oh, we're already
You
done.
open place one more. You open place one more. 200, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This one your number telephone, yeah? This one.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
If your friend call you, this one. If your family call you here without the zero, plus 62 Indonesian code, yeah?
So complicated.
I don't know.
I just need to call out. I'm okay there, but you've got to drop numbers and add pluses and all sorts of things.
You call to Australia, yeah?
Yes.
I give you instruction for you for ship call to Australia, yeah?
Thank you.
Special code.
Thank you so much.
This is the instruction for check the top
Check
up.
credit.
Check credit. You can
Dial.
check every time. If
Hash
you need, you
triple
can
A.
buy.
Hash 5. Hash. What does that say? Call.
Call.
Okay.
Like this one. So star 888 star 5 hash. This one.
Yes.
And then call.
Call.
You can look. Sisa pulsa 200,000.
So this now says, now it gives me my balance, which is 200,000 bucks.
Okay.
So this lovely, lovely girl booked this for me. So where I'm up to at the moment with the SIM card situation is that the beautiful girl gave me this, which gives me how to dial phone calls, and she didn't bother with the SMS thing because, you know, it's just better to use WhatsApp here in Indonesia, in Bali. It's an internet phone thing, and that's what everybody uses, and that's the way to go. But despite trying to just call and my dad, it's like that didn't work. Okay, so the plot thickens. This is Hardy's supermarket in Sanur, a really big supermarket. I had the other SIM card and I had a separate amount of money for making phone calls, but no matter what we did to try, we couldn't get that to operate. But they can transfer the $20 across to another phone.
But I try with your SIM.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you can try with my SIM card.
I wanna see.
I already checked Telkomsel, roaming, so it's just checking a whole bunch of stuff. I spent about 20 minutes at the other place where I bought the card, and that didn't amount to anything. except go down to Hardy's and try and get some XL credit because she didn't have any.
Wait, please. I wanna check this one.
She's determined. It's sort of like a, I think it's a geek thing. Like, no, this works. It's got to work.
It's
Ringing.
No, I just want to check this in. Yeah.
Oh, wait, please.
Okay.
Hello. Dad, it's Warren. Was.
What is
It was. It's was.
What is the price
It's
of
Warren.
price?
Was. Your son. Bali.
You need internet?
From Bali.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, it's taken me a week to try and... Yeah, absolutely fine.
Internet? Or
I've been missing you like anything. I haven't been able to make a call, and this
many
this
did
girl
you want?
just figured it out for
I
me.
wanna give Sam with you.
So I don't know how she did it, but anyway, she's managed to do it. So I can call you now. So you went to settings
Yeah.
and did what?
Setting, phone,
Yes.
and then in here, show my color ID.
Show my card ID.
Yeah.
Show my caller ID. That's it.
Yeah. This
Oh,
on.
okay.
And then I try to do 01017, no zero.
Yeah.
2 for 01017,
Yeah.
61, no zero.
Yeah.
2 and then
Oh, fantastic. So good, this girl. It simply came down to the fact that I needed to open my caller ID on my phone. What's going on there, hey bud? So, wow. Like what? So now I'm going to call Dad and talk to him for a while.